A well-run kitchen is the heart of a thriving restaurant, and behind every successful kitchen, there's an effective kitchen manager. Our comprehensive online course on kitchen management is now available. Learn about workplace safety, cleaning, sanitizing, and inventory management, then explore menu planning and pricing. Master the essentials of purchasing, procurement, food production, preparation, and service. Understand the importance of hygiene and contamination control. Discover how to use technology to handle service handling, waste disposal, pest management, employee management, and financial and marketing planning. Whether you're a chef, a restaurant owner, or someone interested in the food service industry, this course is designed for you. Enroll now and take your kitchen management skills to the next level.